Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your PlayStation 5 not turn off. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. So right now, if you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find all of these sections. So here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental control, system, storage, and so on. Click on system. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find system software, HDMI, beeping light, language, date and time, remote play, power saving, and web browser. Go ahead and click on power saving. And then here you're gonna find the option to set time until the PlayStation 5 enters rest mode. Here you're gonna find features available in rest mode. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find set time until controller turn off. Go ahead and click on set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And then right here, you can choose how long you want your PlayStation 5 to stay before turning off. So go ahead and click on right here while playing a game and click on don't put in rest mode. And also during media playback, click on don't put in rest mode. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.